everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. I guess you guys thought that I had flown the coop and I had just fell off the face of the earth. Life's really took a toll this last month or two around my house, and not really been able to craft and do the things that I love so much as I would like to do, but I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things, and I appreciate everybody that's hung with me, and hope everybody's safe in all this cold weather. I'm telling you, I'm ready for springtime. But I am here with a project share for Panda Haul Selected, and I will leave all the links to these awesome products down below. Please go check them out, and I do have a coupon code too that I will link down below. So let me show you what I created. I got these, they're called glass vial pendants, like wish bottles, and they come in this really neat case that, of course, my nails does not want me to open. I'm telling you. You just opened it that way. And you get these adorable glass vials. You get several of them. Aren't they cute? So you get them, and you get a silver and a gold cap with these. And all you do is, and what I did with mine, I did get these sea beads, but they were too big to go into the vial. So what I did is I got glitter, because I know we've all got all kinds of abundance of glitter. And let's see, let me get my thingy here. And what I did was I got one of these just little trays. I can't even remember what food come in it. And I just took some star glitter that I had in my stash. And you can get smaller sea beads too. And all I did was fill it up. I liked the green, so fill it up. I did a little better the first time I did it, and luckily I can just put these back in my jar. That's what I like about these trays. It's one of my staples. All right, and I'm gonna get this out of the way. And what you'll do, see how the glitter is in the glass jars? And it's so pretty. And what I use to glue my caps on is my glossy accents. This works awesome with metal and stuff like that. So all I would do was I would put some glossy accents on there. You would lay your cap on the top and let it dry, and then you've got like a little charm that you can put on anything. So super cute. And so with the things that I got, I thought it's fun to mix and match metals. It doesn't have to be silver. It all doesn't have to be gold. It doesn't all have to be copper or bronze. You can mix them. So I got these here, and these are the curved chains kit, and you get 2 separate kinds of chains, and then you also get the jump rings. Let me take it out because I see the glare is really bad. So like here is the chain, one of them. And you also get jump rings and lobster clasps with this. And so I used those as chains. And then I had these stainless steel lobster clasps and jump rings too. And I thought, I'm going to use these too, just to mix and match metals to see what they look like. And something that I loved about these jump rings, let me get them out here. You know how when you use your jump rings, you have to, let me see if I can get it to show you here. How you have to open them up. Look. These stainless steel ones, they've already kind of opened it up for you to where you don't have to bend it. And then all you have to do when you use them is just squish them together, which I thought that was pretty cool. So what I decided to do was like make a cute little necklace, and I used, this is the chain that I used, and then here's the charm. Look, I've got the glitter all over. And I thought that was so pretty, and what a neat little gift that would make. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And so I made the necklace, and then I thought, I could probably make a bracelet. And you can see that I used the jump rings. There's the, here is the stainless steel ones. And you see, I used the other chain. My hands are just not wanting to work today. And then I used the gold cap and then the silver cap and made a bracelet. And I thought that was so stinking cute. I mean, look at that. How cute is that? You could fill them with different colors. You could put them on keychains. And I just love these little glass wishing bottles. You could put like a little note in there. Fill it with red for Valentine's Day. What a cool idea. So I would like to thank Panda Haul Selected and for allowing me to showcase some of their products. And I really, really appreciate it. And I will leave all the links down below to these fun projects. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.